Hi, I'm Glenda Centillas, 21 years old from Bohol, Philippines. I am a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management at Holy Name University, Tagbilaran City, Bohol. I am second from the youngest in the family. My father dedicated himself in working as a government employee while my mother is an entrepreneur. So you see, my love to serve people is rooted from my parents. Along with the booming of tourism industry in my province and my dedication to service, I took the opportunity to learn and educate myself in school so could I have ideas on how to manage properly a hotel or restaurant. Now, I am very much ready to take on a new challenge. Applying for an intern in your company is a big step for me. During my senior years, I was fortunate enough to be able to participate in an on-the-job training in Singapore with the aim to broaden my perspective by doing hands-on and practically immersing myself in a real-life situation. I was assigned in different restaurants, namely Sabuten, Sharokoshi, which are traditional Japanese restaurants, and Taoist taverns, which is a Western type of restaurant. There, I experienced the work of every from off job concerning a restaurant, from being a cashier to food server and even in production. I had my first job at Shangri-La Mactan Resorts and Spa in Cebu as a front desk officer. Meeting a lot of people with different types of attitudes in different walks of life helped me understand each one of them and taught me to extend my patience. Now, I am currently working as a coordinator of two of the best hotels and restaurants in Cebu under Claros Multipurpose Cooperative Manpower and Services. I assume that you might be interested to know more about the other qualities that I possess. I can say that I am friendly, hardworking, dynamic, a good team player. I love to meet new people and work in a new environment. As an individual, I really wanted to feel being challenged and be encouraged to perform. I am passionately driven to achieve excellence in everything I do. Rest assured that if you allow me and be hired to be your intern, you will see the best of me. I am determined to give my undivided attention with all of my knowledge and skills to learn more and be better. Thank you so much for your time and considerations of my application, and I'm hoping to hear from you soon.